found this game engine the other day, Easy FPS Editor. It lets you make old school Doom and Wolfenstein type games. Mostly uses 2D sprites, but I see you can use 3D models as well. Here's the download links. I'll leave that in my video. I'll leave the link below. Let's start a new project. So, it's a bunch of blank. I think we first go create new project. Test is good. And then you still have nothing. Then you go to maps and create new map. I forget where to put this. Let me think quickly. So yeah, in this folder where it has builds, maps, and projects, go to projects. I just made test, and then I think I save it here. I hope I save it here. It'll be test map. And I've noticed you can't use any spaces in this engine. Anything that you use can't have any spaces in it, otherwise nothing will work. Okay, cool. So we made a new project, made a map, then we go to tiles, and we don't have anything. We need to go import resources and textures. Now we got your walls and floors. Let's do floors first. I got a bunch of textures the other day. Way too many, actually. I'll use these ones for now, so I'll use these as floor. But there's one thing you can do as well. I've been doing with other textures. I'll show you quickly. I use Sprite. So I got these crate images or textures, and they're pretty high quality. They're like 512 by 512. Now, if you want to make it look like that retro look, apparently most of the textures in Doom were like 64 by 64 or like 128 by 128. 96 by 96 is pretty good too. I'll show you that one first. And then it just, there we go, makes it look a bit worse. Gives it that old school 90s look. Then I'll just undo and 64 by 64 as well. This one looks pretty bad, but that's how the games look then. So that's optional. You can keep it high quality too in this game. Actually, I haven't tried that. I'll do that now. Let's add a high quality texture. Got these ruins here, and I've already changed the sprite size of these ones, 96 and 64. So let's compare these bricks. Tileable 9. That's the high quality one, and then here's the low quality. Oh damn, they named the same thing. I wonder. Oh damn. Okay, yeah, I'll have to name them differently. Okay, I'm back. I quickly changed the file name. So, import resources. We've got the high quality one here. Let's add the low quality 64. And just for fun, 96 as well. I think 64 might look too terrible, as you can see here from the previews. But yeah, let's make some floors quick. Okay, cool. So here's the high quality one. So you can just draw like this, pretty easy. And I think you can hold in control and then click and drag to make a big block like that. And then right click will get rid of the blocks. So here's the high quality floor. Here's the slightly lower quality floor. And then here's the real ugly floor. Cool. Then we need a player. That's us. I think I can test it now. Let's see. And this comes pre-built with like a bunch of settings. So let's get into the game. Here we go. Check it out. So ready? You can already jump. You can crouch. You can walk. Your character kind of sways a bit as you walk. Pretty cool. Can I fall off the edge? No. Okay. So here's the high quality tiles. And then it should get lower quality. Yeah. There we go. Now you got that retro look. It's completely optional. I feel like this looks pretty good too. It's a bit scratchy there in the distance, but cool. Here's the 96 by 96, and then here's 64 by 64. Yeah, that one might be a bit too ugly for me. I'd probably go for 96 by 96. but I guess it depends on the texture. So yeah, cool. I have some floors so far. I can't do anything yet. You can add skyboxes and a bunch of stuff. I guess we need some walls now. Let's go back to import textures. Let's get some walls. And I think, I don't really like these textures too much. I'm gonna go to this various retro textures from this fella. Open game art. I like using this place. And I found some enemies I'll be using from this fella. Let's add some walls. Yeah, we'll just do the cobble, brick, and brick. Pipe, just for fun. Then for floors, we'll have cobble, dead ground, metal plate, wood, tile. That should do. Just for now. Cool, let's build a little area. Let's use these tiles. Control and click. We'll do that. Let's do like little rooms maybe. And then maybe this can lead into another room. Give it some shape there. Because you can go to modifiers, and then once you've placed the floors, you can add like oh wait, we need walls first. You can do angled walls, then walls, a bunch of different modifiers. So we'll want doors here. Let's add that so long. And then you must change the texture of the doors too. I don't really have a door texture right now, so it'll have to be like a floor texture. But it's actually the door. Let's add some wood or something. Shit, I have to get back to work in 10 minutes. Let's see what I can do in this time. 10 minutes. Okay, we need a floor texture. I got some wood. Let's do wood. This wood. It's not gonna look great. I must get an actual door texture. There we go. The doors will look like wood now. And we need a door here as well. Cool, let's do some walls quickly. What about... that's gonna look pretty ugly. Maybe I'll do it here. Nice. And then let's add those modifiers quickly. Angled walls. Now that looks like it may be correct, but it's actually the other way around, so it's this one. Yes, that one. Now those walls will be angled. You can add steps as well to make like stairs and whatnot. You can really get creative with different floors and stuff. I'll show you a bit in a second. Let's get those walls finished. Let's just go for the ugly cobble. Now we'll go for this. Wait, now I'm confused. Let's see. Do I put it there, or do I put the floor like this, and then the wall like this? Oh wait, not there. And then we need more floor. See, I'm not sure now. Let's test it out. The void. So nice. We got some walls. There's collision. You can't go through it or anything. We got the doors. You press E to open them. Okay, so I feel like this side is wrong. Ah, I see. That's not right. That door has no purpose. Okay, so this was the right way to do it. And you can change the doors as well, make them open on hinges or slide. So that's nice. Nice touch. And here's those angled walls we added in. Look at that angle. That slope. Cool, so that works. Then let's just fix these walls outside here. this one's wrong. Let's fix that quickly. So, yeah. Let's put these... it's gonna move these doors back a bit. So to delete the doors, you must go back to modifiers, door, and then right click. Put our door texture back. Finish that floor. Add some walls. And some walls here too. Cool. And then if you want to add ceilings, you go to floor 2. And then we just add some floors, which will act as ceilings. Let's use that wood again. Control click. Why did it not work? What's happening? Oh, there. I was just doing it wrong. And then let's just use this for the floor here. Or let's use that ugly texture. There we go. So those are now the ceilings there. Let's use yeah, let's just see what this looks like. That's our hideous ceiling. And here. Cool, so now that's on floor 2. Let's see how that looks. Not great, and there's not much space. Very claustrophobic. That's a bit weird. Oh wait, it's the same texture as the roof, of course. Ceiling. Hideous. So I think the key to making a good game in this engine is finding some really nice textures. I didn't add walls here. Okay, let's do one last thing before I get back to work. Let's add those walls. Now to get rid of the claustrophobia, we don't add the floor on this level. Let's take that away quickly. Oh cool, it works with the deleting as well. I'll leave that one claustrophobic, whatever. I'm gonna skip a level, so we're on floor 1. Then we go to floor 2, and then we just add more walls on top of those walls, like such. And then we skip a level, floor 3, and then we add our ceiling here. There we go. And then much better. Much better. Cool, I think I have to get back to work in 3 minutes, so I think that'll be all for this first video. We have a little map so far. We'll pick it up next time, add some more stuff. Let me know if you'd be keen on watching videos about this engine. I'm taking a little break from GDevelop, but I'll be back on that soon too. Thanks for watching.